Hello everyone, my name is Anson Anthony and welcome back to Simple Smart Trader channel. So I know you must have seen the thumbnail and it's a profitable read for me and also to all my subscribers. If you have followed all the levels and respected, the market has respected all the levels. So congratulations to all my subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the like button and subscribe right now. Share it with all your friends because I'll be giving more and more educational videos. So we'll begin with the market analysis. I'll give you two stocks, that's Pidilite Industries and BPCL, and then later on we'll move to Finnifty Nifty and Bank Nifty. So how did I took the trade, what was my stop loss and how did I take my target, everything has been explained in the video. So stay tuned till the end and like, share and subscribe. So let's begin market analysis for tomorrow. So let's begin market analysis for tomorrow, and the first stock which I have for you is Pidilite Industry. So Pidilite Industry, if you see, it has given a V-shaped recovery, but if you see overall in this scenario, it is totally a bearish candles all over, and exactly at its 200 EMA you can see that it has given a doji candle, okay, a hanging man type candle. So it would be very interesting to see a bearish side, and in 15 minutes time frame if you see, it has given a double top, okay, it has given a double top and slow and steadily market is going towards downside. So it would be very interesting level. This would be the most interesting level where the market has given closing, and below this if you get a bearish candle you can go for a trade, and the first target I would suggest this one, that is gap filling trade, and second trade somewhere you can take for 200 EMA, and the final target would be this one, the most important support zone. So where would be the entry point? The entry point would be somewhere here, that is 2452, and below that if you enter, the first target would be 2443, 2432, and the final target would be 2420. But on the top side I won't give you levels because market is very volatile and it is showing a strong bearish side. So let's go to second trade, and the second trade I'll just remove all the drawings, and the second trade which I have for you is BPCL. So if you see BPCL in this zone, this is the most important resistance zone, because if you see here, that is on July 6th, and if you see here on July 27th, and again now on November 2023, so it has given a strong resistance zone. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame and let's mark the level which is very important. So the very important level which for me is this one. So this is one strong resistance and this is one of the strongest support zone. So once the candle tomorrow, once the candle has been open and breaks this level of 383, you can directly go for the target of this one, that is 375, and after that you can go for a strong resistance zone, that is 370, which is around this 200 EMA, and the final target which I would suggest is 366. So the entry point which I suggest to you is approximately this zone, that is 383, and the first target would be 375, second target 370, and the final target would be 366. So these are the level in BPCL. So let's go to Finnifty, and in Finnifty if you see in daily time frame, let's go to 1 day's time frame, and if you see, as I told you, there is a strong support zone which was a support zone, now it is acting like a resistance, and market is slow and steadily turning, so turning back down towards this 200 EMA. So what we have to do, we have to just patiently wait for the levels which I am showing to you right now, and in 15 minutes time frame if you see, this is one of the most important level and this is one of the most important level. So between this, that's a no trading zone, but you can take the trades which I am suggesting to you right now. So once market is breaking this level, that is 19456 level, and is going towards downside, you can enter in the trade, and the first target which I would suggest to you, it's approximately near to its 200 EMA, that is this level, 19426. After that you can go one more stock targets, and that target would be this one, that is 19633, and the final target would be 19282. So these are the levels, but if market is giving a reversal from here, or if market is giving a reversal from here, you can enter in the trade, and the first target would be 19465, and after that the final target would be 19577, and after that you can trail your stop loss. So this is the most important zone. So below this, the first target 19426, second 363, and third 282, and if it is taking support from its 19426, the first target would be 465, and the final target would be 957, and after that you can just trail your stop losses. So let's go to Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty I would just take some time, and I'll show you how this was the level. Okay, this was the level where I had given to you yesterday, and how did I enter in the trade, I'll just quickly show you, and how I hit the stop loss. So this was the point where I just entered in the trade, and if you see, market just broke this level. Okay, once this level was been broken, I entered in the trade, because as I had given you this level, and I was supposed to take approximately 1:5. Okay, and I just started the journey, and slow and steadily, if you see, it just gave me a stop loss. So it came down, and slow and steadily it took my stop loss in this candle. If you see, it again came, and this was the time where it hit my stop loss. So I didn't trade. Okay, whatever level I'm giving to you, I also trade in the same level. There is nothing hidden agenda behind this, and I'm just showing this stop loss level. So this was the first stop loss where I hit, and second trade was taken in Nifty. I would show it to you once I come into Nifty's analysis. So let's go to 1 day's time frame, and let's check Bank Nifty in 1 day's time frame. And if I at yesterday's analysis, if you have checked, this was the most important resistance zone, and market is just coming downside. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame, and in 15 minutes time frame, let's remove all the drawings. Okay, and we'll just mark this level. This level is very important for me, and this level is very important. So if market tomorrow, as we see in Singapore Nifty, that is Gift Nifty, it is opening sideways, and if slow and steadily, if it breaks this level, you can go for a bullish side trade. And the first target which I would suggest to you, and the first target would be this one, and the second target would be this. So market is too volatile. I'll give you two targets. After that, you have to trail your stop loss and take your profit. So here you can, if you get a reversal candle from this side, you can directly enter in the trade, and the first target would be this one, that is 43,694. Second target, the one which I given, that is 43,575, and the third target I would suggest this one, which is important support zone, and that would be the final target because it is approximately near its 200 EMA. So the entry point which you have to enter is this one, that is 43,853, and if it is reversing from this side, that one. Though once you enter in the bullish side, the first target 43,966, second target 44,143. But if it is reversing from 43,853, you can go for first target of 43,694, second target of 43,575, final target of 43,449, which is approximately 200 EMA side. But if market is getting a support from here, again you can enter in the trade, and the target would be till 43,853 from downside. Okay, so these are the levels in Bank Nifty, and let's go to Fin Nifty, and I'll just show you how I took my trade. So I'll remove this drawings, and then I'll just play with the replay button, so that would be understanding for you. So as I told you, I just waited till here. Okay, so the first trade was a loss in Bank Nifty. After that, I saw that it took a resistance from this zone, and it slow and steadily came down. But I was very patient, and slow and steadily I just waited, and this was the candle where I took the entry because it gave a crossing on my support zone. So I entered, and the stop loss was somewhere below this candle, above this candle, and the target would be approximately 1:2. So I slow and steadily waited, and the levels, if you see this level, it slow and steadily went down, and it was approximately given my target. And exactly in this candle itself, I took my trade. So if you see my stop loss, I had kept somewhere here only because it was a logical stop loss somewhere here, and after that I took the trade, and this was my target of 1:1.5 I had taken. So these are the levels, and this is the way I took my trade because I saw that there is a volatility and it is the expiry. So I just waited patiently, and then I took the trade, and this was my profit zone. So if you want to learn how I did it, I will teach you. So you have to be with my channel and subscribe to my channel and share it with lots of friends of yours so that they would also earn the money. So as I told you yesterday, this candle is one of the important candle, and exactly if you see, it took a resistance zone from here and it came down. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame, and in 15 minutes time frame, if you see, market was very volatile. So I'll remove this thing, and we'll keep a line here. This is the most important resistance zone, and where the market gave a closing is also very important. So if market is opening somewhere sideways, as Singapore Nifty is showing sideways, and if it is crossing this side, you can directly go for a trade. And the first target which I would suggest to you is this one. First target would be this, second target would be this one, and the final target which I would suggest is this one. So the entry point would be this, that is 19,402. First target 19,383, second 344, and the final target would be 19,310. But if you get a support zone somewhere near to 200 EMA, or for that case, if you get a support here exactly, you can go in entry in the trade. If you get a trade near 200 EMA, the levels are the same. okay, but if you are getting a support from this side, so the first target would be 19463, and second target which I would suggest is 19485, and after that the final target would be this one, that is 19531. Above that you can trail your stop loss. So there are two important zones. So this is one zone, and this would be the one of the next zone, 200 EMA. So once this levels you get a support zone, you can enter in the trade. But if you get a reversal from here also, you can enter the trade and you can go for the below targets. So these are the levels in Nifty. So I hope you understood all the levels in Pidlite, BPCL, Finnifty Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you have any doubts, you can write it in the comment box, or you can ping to me in personal on social media, and I will solve all your queries. So see you soon in my next video. Bye. Take care.